Hello.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
We are playing. Well, I say we. Day is playing Resident Evil 4.
Yes.
I will be along the commentating side. Let's giggity get it. This is David's first.
Let's put the AirPods in
Oh yeah,
so I can hear.
yeah. This is Dave's first time playing this.
Should I do easy or normal? New game.
That's up to you. Here you go. Man.
Huh.
What do you think?
Okay, cool. I'm able to hear. Well, I haven't played this before, and I haven't played VR Resident Evil.
But you're good at VR. I'd say play on just normal, and I think you could change the settings.
Alrighty.
Can't you?
Customize your game. Resident Evil very opposite. Okay. Seated, standing. Oh. That's weird. I don't put my height in when I'm standing. Alrighty. My dominant hand is my right hand. Choose your comfort setting. Full motion, comfort mode, teleport movement. No. I want
Full motion, baby.
Yeah, I want full motion.
We're going full send over here.
Comfort mode.
I can see when your head rotates, and it's kind of, it's.
When I do this?
Yeah.
Tutorial assistance on. Okay. I'll be honest, it's a little hot in this room. I shouldn't have worn long sleeve. Oh.
There's a backstory.
It was the year when those grisly murders occurred in the Arklay Mountains.
I'm watching TV.
Okay. It's TV. Hey, look around. Are you like in a room? You are.
Yes, let's record the Dark Void while a story's playing right here.
My bad, my bad.
Oh.
Hey, we just watched that movie.
I wish they would have called it Baboon City.
Why?
Because monkeys are cooler than raccoons. Raccoons are nasty and they carry diseases. But they're also cute.
Yeah,
But they're nasty.
I don't think it's factual to assume that baboons cannot.
No, baboons are immune to disease.
Are they really?
Yeah, that's why all COVID facilities were they tested on baboons because they're immune to it.
You're lying to me.
Yeah, they use No, I'm serious. They use baboon blood. It's part of the cure, apparently.
Why are you throwing the...
Apparently, did you know that baboons can do this with their hands?
Go back to the story.
6 years later, huh?
6 years later.
No, but I'm serious. Like, baboon blood is in the COVID cure.
I did not know this. No.
Yeah, and apparently, like, in some countries where they can't afford the cure, like, they just give their citizens baboon blood, and they drink it. I love the music.
I feel like you're completely, like, pulling my chain.
No, I'm serious. It's 100% true.
You just dancing to the music. I do like the music. Come on, tell us. Oh, your secret lover. Is that supposed to be
I think it's
Theo?
Leon.
Leon? I mean,
Yeah.
how do I call him Theo?
That dude's obviously like a white guy, but he's talking like Hispanic, or like he is Hispanic.
Maybe it did.
Crazy American.
Huh. I want to see your hands.
I'm counting on you guys.
Yeah. Yeah, apparently you could do stuff on that watch. Like that. Just like how you did.
What does it say? 0.
Time played? Something like that. I don't know. You're blocking the screen, eh?
Oh.
No, you're good.
It was right before I was taking on my duties of protecting the president's daughter when she was abducted.
So,
Wow.
is it like the president of the United States' daughter?
Only in rural part of Europe.
I assume, I guess.
According to our intelligence, there's reliable information about a sighting of a girl that's very similar to the
Well, what was that?
It was my.
She's being held.
Oh,
It's a butterfly.
it's a butterfly.
Flap your wings. Fly.
Flying away.
Fly.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That doesn't look healthy. Being watched. Are you punching yourself?
2 hands at the same time. It's like goggles.
Uh,
It's the Oculus goggles that I'm
what's
wearing.
what's the move?
Well,
Special strike. I forget what. Like you use both your fists and you take
Ki-ya!
one leg out.
you go like that.
Yeah, but like you also kick one leg back. Who does that? It's like from a show.
I don't know. I don't remember. Gosh dang it. Come
What?
on.
All this story.
Yeah, no, they could at least let me in the vehicle, and I could feel like I'm in Skyrim, the scene where it's like, oh,
It's like-
you're finally awake. Like,
You're finally awake. That's funny.
just up ahead is the village. Why didn't it give me a tutorial?
The tutorial is at the beginning, as you play.
Oh.
I played like 30 minutes of this game, and 15 of it was this stupid intro.
Hello. Hello, good luck. Well, I don't know anything about the story, so I have no choice but to watch this. And I bet I could skip it with one of these buttons, but... Yes!
Incoming go. Yeah, tap it, Dave. Tap it.
She's a hottie.
It's
Whoops.
an animated character. Animated.
Look, I'm saying if she was real and looked like that, she would be hot. It even says how long the call is right there.
They sure picked the wrong girl, didn't they?
Stupid woman. I'm on the phone for 20 seconds. It's too many seconds.
Talk to you.
Oh,
Ugh.
I like how you flip that thing back and forth.
Oh. Yes. Tell me how to shoot and kill
Tell
people.
me everything.
Immersive
Oh
and
yeah, I
quick select.
forgot there's an easy mode
Shot.
and like an immersive one, kind of like Pavlov.
I want the immersive. Oh my gosh. This knife is... Dude, his hands are absurdly huge.
stab
You see this?
stab your own hand.
Two of his fingers is like the size of his wrist.
Put it in your own hand. Does it hurt you? No, it doesn't.
I hope the movement isn't going to be too loud in my microphone. Oh, snap.
We'll find out.
Sad thing is I can't grip it with two hands. That sucks.
Yeah.
First aid spray is located over your left shoulder.
Right. Is that
Oh.
your left shoulder? You spray yourself?
That's like the equivalent of macing yourself on accident.
Yeah. It's not
Wait,
accident.
the
when you do
wristwatch
it on
which displays
purpose.
your current health. Gosh dang it. Oh, my health and ammo.
That's the immersive mode, by the way.
Oh, it does show my ammo there. The second weapon management mode is quick select. This mode uses... okay.
Oh yeah, it's a wheel.
Bring up the...
It's a selection wheel.
Oh, this one. Give to me.
I think
I
you
want
do that,
immersive.
and you choose the stick. You're good at Pavlov and stuff, so I would
Yeah,
do
this is just
immersive
like
for you.
Pavlov in terms of like opening up your buy menu.
Yeah.
Switch to the up by tapping the left trigger button. Oh, you just tap it and it switches.
Yep. And you click it again to switch the handgun. That's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Make you want the fettuccine.
I want immersive. We're in
Here
it.
in my garage with the linguine.
Oh, that's my ammo, I'm assuming. So that's where the first aid is back there. Gun, I'm guessing that's all I got for now. Oh, snap. Duh!
That's the first thing you do.
I'm like Thor.
You sit up.
You are unworthy to hold my blade.
Oh my
Hold on, wait.
gosh.
That would have been good enough to murder. Okay.
You said you're unworthy.
What? That just messed with my brain, dude. That hurt my head.
How it switched like that?
Yeah, what the heck?
Don't get sick on me.
Let's go. Oh, this is just like the bridge scene.
Yeah, but
Oh, screw you.
not that way, cowboy.
Fine. But don't you remember the Rainbow Bridge? With Hemdall or
Oh
whatever his
yeah,
name
yeah,
is?
yeah. When they were leaving. Don't. I'm about to say don't shoot the bird. Oh, you're about to get attacked by the birds.
Bread.
That's one thing I didn't do when I played this was shoot the birds.
You didn't. Your first thought wasn't let's murder birds, and don't call PETA on me, Michael.
Michael?
He's like killing birds. I'm calling PETA.
No, PETA.
Whoops.
Hey, I would save your ammo.
Nah.
Hey, PETA.
I want it. No, I want it. No, I want.
You were so close.
How do I reload? Oops. Snap.
Booyah.
Cool. That's self-explanatory. Well, not really, but I figured
Why
it
is
out.
it like a little circle that you see?
What?
Like, you know what I mean?
Oh,
Is it
I'm
like...
too close to the border.
Oh, okay. Get out the border then.
Show with the laser?
No, like, I can only see, like, a little circle, like, the,
What the?
Uh-oh.
What the? Ah. I was gonna go cut that thing up. Oh. Wait.
No, it's just
I'm holding a
dude.
knife, not a gun.
Sir?
It is just a dude.
Ah.
Take it.
I'm having to like swing my arm wide because I do not want to smack the microphone.
Yeah.
Ah! Why can't I throw this knife? Like, it'd be
Well,
cool.
you can. Actually, that's a good thing to try.
Recognize a girl in this photograph?
I don't think it'll work, honestly. The knife isn't even throwing that
What
smooth.
does that mean? Capron?
Sorry to have bothered.
The capron. Oh, snap!
What'd you just do?
Smack the light fixture.
Oh my gosh.
I'm ready. I'm gonna kill that dude.
Yeah, you may want to.
Freeze. I'm gonna murder him. I'm ready. Come on.
Yo, it's now you're him. I'm just kidding.
What the?
See, it teaches you. Oh,
I shot you in the head. Should I
Like,
run?
come at me, bro.
Should I run?
Oh, well, he's running. What are you doing?
Knife. Wait, why did it drop the clip? It won't let me reload in here.
Oh, what's happening?
I don't need it.
Look up at the.
Sorry. I'm ready to reload. What is happening?
I think you're about to get jumped, bro.
What do I... Now's not the time to call me, Hottie.
Everything okay?
There was a hostile local. I had no choice but to neutralize it. There are still others surrounding the area.
You had a choice. You could have ran.
And head toward the village. Take
Head towards the
whatever
village.
measures necessary to save the subject.
Okay, so I need to go across the bridge now.
So, you're about to have to go ham.
It's down here.
Oh,
So I guess it wasn't an innocent old man that I murdered.
No.
Oh my gosh.
hey, you got ammo.
Yeah. The cord's already
Hey,
tripping
try to
me
stay
up.
within your borders because you're making like a small circle.
Well, I already lost where I am. Oh. Okay, well, I guess I'm going to shoot my way through this.
I'm pretty sure it's just all blood day. It's all blood and guts.
Said something terrible's kicked it.
Oh, hey, it's not.
I'm thinking there needs to be a back way out that I need to exit from.
There was that
'cause-
window.
Where? Because I
Remember,
think
go
they're
upstairs.
going to...
Go upstairs. Or not.
Okay, well, wait.
Upstairs.
He's not a zombie. Crap.
Well, that's good.
It's upstairs?
Right there.
How am I supposed to go through that?
It said jump out.
Screw it. Whoa! Leon! I couldn't do that in real
Oh,
life.
but run.
Ah! How do I sprint?
I don't know, but I'd turn around and start shooting. Start shooting to the poop.
What?
the
Oh,
bridge is
snap.
broke. What if you like looked up and shot the bird instead?
Why do you have a spear? Oh, it's a pitchfork.
Alright, so 3 shots to the head. Good to know.